let's go do some DeFi farming with Cropper Finance. Now, if you're new to DeFi farming, make sure you're very familiar with impermanent loss. We've got a video linked below. It's by Whiteboard Crypto, not affiliated with Jupiter's channel, but he's done a fantastic explainer on what it is. Also, we have an overview video on DeFi farming, so check that out as well. So here we are at jupe.ag, come up to the middle to the emoji, and then welcome to Solana. Then get started and scroll on down, right down to the bottom where it says explore dApps. We can see right here Cropper, but if we click on liquidity, we can also see it under here. Click on this. This takes us to the website. We can also get to the website directly from @CropperFinance. This is their Twitter profile. This is an OG DEX and liquidity solution back from 2021. Let's go ahead and connect our wallet. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Solflare wallet, but you can use whatever your preferred Solana wallet is. Connect. And these are concentrated liquidity pools. If you don't remember what they are, or if you haven't actually covered them, basically they can earn more fees, but they can be subjected to more impermanent loss. We covered this in one of the Raydium tutorials. So there's a few options down here, and some of them will get their own token, CRP, as extra rewards, as well as a points boost. Some of them have a low APR, such as JLP and Jupe, but personally, the only pool that I'm interested in for this one would be Sol and USDC. Maybe either this pool or this pool. You can decide if you want to enter a pool here, of course. I'm just going to show you how you can do it. It gets a point boost. For more information, reach out to them on Twitter or in Discord to find out about this point boost, or just come up to their points program. We're going to go to deposit, and then we can choose full range or custom. Full range means there is no rebalance required, and custom means we can have more divergence loss, also known as impermanent loss, but it can also increase yield. I'm just going to go with full range for this one, and I'll choose the amount. Now I'm a little bit low on Sol, so let's go back to Jupe and grab some Sol. We'll come back here. Let's take 50 USDC, go get some Sol. We'll swap and we'll go and approve. And back here, let's go and take $50. It's going to be 50-50, 50% USDC and 50% Sol. Now for full transparency, I'm getting a little bit of a glitch here. So I've connected my wallet. We can see it is the correct one. We've got a bit of Sol here. We've got some USDC, but for some reason we're getting a little bit of an issue where it thinks there isn't that much Sol or USDC here. So because of this reason, I'm just going to go and deposit in a small amount just so I can show you how it works. With this range, the estimated APR is going to be 0%, so it's not going to do very well. So what I want to do instead is we'll go back, we'll go with custom, and we'll try and keep this range a little bit better. From here to here, it thinks maybe around 86, 87%. So we'll choose amount, we'll go with $20 of USDC, that amount of Solana, preview, confirm, and approve. We now have an NFT that's been minted. Do not burn this, of course, exactly the same as Raydium. We can view our portfolio, we'll give it a refresh here, and we'll connect, and we can see our liquidity pool here will be earning a small amount in fees. We'll leave this for a few days, and then I'll show you how you can harvest rewards and also remove liquidity. So we'll cover that in the next tutorial. Catch you in that one.